Hey guys, how's it going? It's Bill Moore. Today I have a, unique hot and spicy product to review for you guys. This is something a little bit different. This is a pepper powder, and this is from Nine Circles of Hell. Just love the packaging and the logo on that. Isn't that colorful and very nice? Going to be reviewing their original one and also their smoked one. You can see that it's marked there with the S. Now it contains the same peppers, but just one is smoked and one is not. Now these were sent to me from the owner, Mr. Stephen Bishop, located out in San Jose, California. Now, there's a picture of Stephen right there with K-John, Mr. John Hard, and I believe that was taken earlier this year at the California Hot Sauce Expo hosted by Steve Seabury. Now let's go ahead and get into these. I want to read a little bit about what makes them so unique off of their website. It says Nine Circles of Hell is an organic, naturally dried, and ground chili powder containing a combination of 9 different hot and super hot chilies. Now that's the first thing that I really like about this pepper powder is that it's just not one particular pepper, but it's a blend of several different peppers that are really unique and different themselves, have different flavors, different levels of heat. So I think that's very unique. Nine Circles of Hell is a small batch chili powder that includes the red ghost pepper, white ghost pepper, red habanero, orange habanero, Trinidad Scorpion, black Cobra, yellow Fatalii, the Serrano Tampiqueno, and the Chile de Arbol. It says the chilies are naturally air dried indoors and then ground coarse outdoors in a blade coffee grinder. After that, the powder is mixed by hand several hundred times over a few weeks to ensure consistency. Having to eat gluten-free foods can be boring as hell, but it doesn't have to be with Nine Circles of Hell. Now that's true because you can do so many different things with these pepper powders. Now one of the other things I like about this powder, I don't know if you can really see it there, is that this is what I call I think a sugar grade type of grind, so it's not completely ground up to where it's real like dust, like a lot of super hot powders are. So you've got a really nice consistency to it. It's got a nice look to it. The aroma on this stuff, guys, is really, really good. You know, you got to be careful when you smell super hot powders like this, but I don't know if you can see that in there or not. But it's got a really nice grind to it. It's not completely ground up like I said before. You know how you put those chili flakes on your pizza? Well, this is not that coarse, but it's kind of a nice in-between, a nice fine pepper, ground pepper, and then the chili flakes. Got a really nice combination, you know, kind of halfway in between. You've got some bigger, you know, nice pieces, gives it a little bit of texture. And that's really one thing I like about it. Now the smoked one, you can really kind of tell a little bit of difference in this one. You know, it's not real smoky, but like I said, it contains the same 9 different peppers, but it does have a little bit more of a smoky flavor to it. Looks pretty much the same as the original as far as the coloring goes on it. But the flavor on this stuff, guys, is really, really good. I'm not going to sit here and eat it on camera, but I want to show you a few things that I did with this. Here's a picture of just, you know, you can just put this straight on pizza. It's not so fine that it's not going to, you know, be good to be used on top of foods. You know, a lot of times the other really fine powders are better if they're used in cooking and things like that. But this is really good to put straight on top of pizza. I also, you know, use pepper powders to blend up with other things. Here's a picture of me making some Chipotle Mayo. Used some Chipotles in adobo, some mayonnaise, and then heated it up even more by putting the Nine Circles of Hell pepper powder on there. And then another thing that I really love to do, one of my favorite snacks is my homemade pimento cheese. And we really know how to make it here in South Carolina. It's the best. So just top some corn tortilla chips with pimento cheese and then sprinkle as much as you want of this Nine Circles of Hell on top. And it is just amazing. So really, really good. Another thing I really like about these products, guys, is that they come in this nice packaging Now, it comes completely flat, but down here you can see you pop these little tabs off on both sides, and then you create a pouch to where it can stand up. But when you get these, they are completely flat, so you kind of have to release these tabs over here, and of course you've got a nice Ziploc container here that really works well. But first class packaging on here, really good. Flavor, what I really like about it is that you get a little bit of the citrus flavors of the habaneros. You get the flavor of the ghost peppers. You get the heat of the Trinidad Scorpion peppers. You get a little bit of more of that earthy, rich tones from the Chile de Arbol and also the Serrano Tampiqueno. You really get some awesome flavors. So just a fantastic blending of 9 different peppers to really create a very tasty product that is not just going to burn your face off. So for flavor, for total packaging and everything like that, this deserves a 10 out of 10. Really awesome product. Now on heat, really not going to rate it for heat, but let me just put it this way. You use just a little bit of this, then maybe you can get just a nice medium or maybe even lower than medium burn. But say, for example, if you put this on deviled eggs, and you know how you put paprika on deviled eggs to get a nice coloring? Well, if you just really loaded this stuff up instead of paprika with this 9 circles of hell powder, that's going to be pretty hot. You eat a couple of those eggs, it might register upwards of an 8 or something like that. But you can really control the heat on this. Just a light dusting, it's great. You get a lot of good flavor. Lay it on thick if you want to get a good burn going on to complement that flavor. But highly recommended products, really good. Stephen, thank you very much for sending it. I appreciate it. Everybody check this company out. You can find them at 9 Circles of Hell on Facebook. And the website is 9, the number 9, and then INE, circlesofhell.com. I'll put the link down in the description. So check this company out. Highly recommended. All right, thanks for watching, guys. And until the next time, make sure you enjoy the burn. We'll see you on the next video.